Good afternoon, heathens. I am not hopeful that Russell is going to make it to join us today. I did send everything out. We have to also bear in mind that people find themselves in different situations, low bandwidth environments, etc., etc. There's not much else we can do. However, I do want to tease the interview that I have got lined up for you next weekend. So give it a drum roll and let's see if you know who this is. This is somebody that I've been meaning to speak to for a very long time. He is an African living in in Norway. So that'll give us a pretty unique experience and insight into his world and his experience. This should be a very, very interesting interview. As you can see, he's also been, doing his thing online. Should be very exciting and entertaining. Unfortunately, I don't think that we are going to have anything today. I couldn't get a hold of Russell on messaging or call, so let's just leave it there. Very disappointing, but let's see. Let's see if anybody wants to come up. Just pop a message onto the stream and we can have a chat. How is your Easter going? I wanted to show you guys this before I go. You have to see all this madness in the middle of Buitengracht Street here in Cape Town. Can you believe it? Whipping and torture porn. It's crazy. It's crazy. Here we go. Have a look at this here. Right. I shared this on our Facebook group as well. You can see, this is Ruland Street or Buitenkant. This is going past the police station, going up to the garden center, this road. Crazy. And you want to tell me this is not a people that are obsessed with torture porn by the looks of it. And the comments, of course, Christians were lapping this up. Like something crazy. Yeah, I don't know. Anyhow, that's Easter for you. That's Easter in Africa. That's Easter in Cape Town. We have all the sheep, the sheep following the shepherd. But I'm going to leave it here, guys. Let's see what we can do during the week. I'm still on holiday until the end of next week. Hey guys, how you doing? So like I said, we try to arrange these interviews, give you guys a glimpse into the experience of atheists all over the continent of Africa. And sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. Unfortunately, this week it didn't. It's not the end of the world. We're going to keep on doing what we're doing. I am in the process of putting together a survey. I'm putting together a survey on our site, atheists.co.za, just to get a rough idea of, what interests you as our audience. So as soon as I've got all the kinks ironed out, I'll post the link in the Facebook groups. You guys will be able to see the survey there, and there you can basically give your feedback, tell us, a little bit about, what your interests are, and then obviously, you as our audience, we can tailor our content accordingly. Do you want to see more interviews? Do you want to see debates? Do you want to see reviews of whatever, so give us your feedback in that survey. Then we can do a little bit of housekeeping and just make sure that we are focusing on what our audience would like to see, because ultimately this is a community channel. This is not my channel. This is our channel as the Atheist Republic here in South Africa. So whatever you are interested in seeing, do you want to see interviews with scientists? Do you want someone to talk about the big? Do you want to be big banged or whatever? Yeah. So I'm going to put that survey together. I'm going to post it in the Facebook groups. Give it a week or so, and then we as the administration of the channel and the consulates, we can have a look at the feedback and then just design our approach accordingly, because I don't want to feel like there is a disconnect between us and you who view this content, because ultimately we are only creating this content for you, our audience. I'm not doing this for myself. Nobody is. This is for us to connect with you and to create community for everybody, where everybody feels welcome, everybody's view and opinion is appreciated and heard. And I'm not going to play the violin while I'm saying this. So I'm going to play us out, and keep watching the space. Next weekend's going to be a bomb of an interview. Trust me, go and I'll post the links to his channel over here. You guys are really going to enjoy that. Very, very thoughtful and insightful guest. And we'll check it out. Take care, guys. Oh, before I forget, don't forget to sin. If you don't sin, Jesus died for nothing. So go and sin all you want.